small introduction
About the company?
about you, your company. Yeah.
Okay. Hi. So this is Bharti Gaurav, and I represent Antarita, a construction company that helps you from paper to stone. And I am basically an architect turned into a builder right now. And we deal right from designing till to the execution, interiors, and then handing over the project.
Got it. And how did you came to know about us?
About you is I saw in across Instagram. Yes, yes, it was through Instagram that I saw a few of your videos and a few of your marketing. I went through a few of your marketing videos through the um, YouTube, and then I did get in touch with you.
Mm-hmm. Got it. Got it. So you came across us through ads, right?
Right.
Mm-hmm. Got it. And then you decided to work with us, correct?
And then I did look into your YouTube videos as to what your strategy is and how you're following, and then what are the tips that you are telling to people who are like me, because we are in the industry from past 12 plus years, but we are not able to reach to the cream of the crowd, mainly because the marketing is lacking. We are too good in sales, but then the marketing exposure was lacking a lot, and that's the main reason that I saw the expertise in you, and I saw you in your company, and I did see that there was a lot of potential in what you had mentioned in most of the videos, and hence I thought, why don't I give a try with your company?
Mm-hmm. Got it. And how was your experience working with us?
It's awesome. Yeah, first 3 months, I also took it like kind of a little lightly because I had parallel marketing going on as well. But
Mm-hmm.
then after that, I must tell you, I always appreciate, and in fact, I'm inspired. For your age, for the kind of dedication you and Arihant have. So I've always been saying that I aspire that my son grow up at this age and kind of have the same kind of dedication towards his work the way you do. So God bless you guys. You've done a great job for us, and hope we continue this for a long way through. So it's been probably 2 months now. First, what I liked in you guys is you trained my team. It's we also used to follow the same. In fact, you trained me as well. So we used to follow the same way of sales instead of marketing, and that is where we could not. Though we had a lot of leads coming, we were not able to convert it.
Mm-hmm.
But yesterday was the hat trick. I have converted 3 to 4 clients in one day with the booking advance. I mean, that's the most accomplished day of this whole year, I can say. I mean, thanks to you.
Mm-hmm. Got it. So, like, so far, how many meetings you did? How many converted? Like, can you throw some more?
Yeah, I have done roughly around 7, 8 meetings.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, apart from Google Meet and apart from online and speaking to the client and all that, personal meetings are 7, and all the 7 of them are interested, and
Mm-hmm.
we have converted 3 of them.
Mm-hmm.
We have 4 more in the pipeline.
Nice, nice, nice. Very good, very good. So, like, what would you suggest a construction company who's on the fence, who has just done a meeting with us, and now they are, probably doing their due diligence? What would be your message to them?
Sorry, could you come back again?
Like the way you did a meeting with us, right? Do you remember? After that, you took some time to,
Right.
do your, research and due diligence. So, what will be your message to a similar company who has done a meeting with us and now they are probably doing their diligence? So, how would you like to communicate to them? Like, what will be your message to them?
See, first thing is, as a customer myself, you need to, set your expectations right as to
Mhm,
what is that you are wanting from this particular, collaboration. That is point A. Second is, what is that you are ready to spend on. I mean, there are two ways of looking at it. Either you lead, or you collaborate, or you follow. So there are these three things. So it depends on you what you want exactly from for yourself and for your company as well. So that is one thing that I really liked it about you, is that you definitely people who, yeah, I want them to know what they are looking for their company.
Mhm.
Because see, I had everything in place. I
Mhm.
had my sales team in place. I had a marketing manager who has 10 years of experience in place. But then after the collaboration is what I understood, he was more into sales and not marketing.
Mhm.
And that is when I thought that, this collaboration would help me learn my basic as to how I market my company. Because I know that we have a lot of USPs, and that's the main thing that I would like to tell most of the companies, or I would like to suggest them, that first what is the best for you, and what are you looking at
Mhm.
through your company.
Mhm. Got it. Got it. So yeah, thank you. Thank you for sharing your feedback.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.